Welcome to my channel. Are you a slow English speaker who understands words but speaks very slowly? What if I told you that speaking slowly is not a weakness, but the best place to start? What if one easy practice could help your mouth move faster without pressure? Stay with me till the end because this video is made only for slow speakers, and after 7 days, you will feel the difference clearly. Before we start, I want to ask you something important. If you truly want to improve your English speaking, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment slow but strong below. This helps the channel grow, and it also makes a promise to yourself that you will watch till the end and practice with me. Now, let's begin, and don't rush. This lesson is made for you. Chapter 1: Why Slow Speakers Feel Stuck. Many slow English speakers think something is wrong with them. They think, my English is weak, or my brain is slow. But here's the strange part. Most slow speakers actually know more English than fast speakers. The problem is not knowledge. The problem is timing. You think first, then you speak. That small gap creates fear. Most people never notice this gap, but it controls everything. When you want to say one sentence, your mind checks grammar, words, pronunciation, and fear at the same time. That is too heavy, so your mouth waits. Silence appears. You feel embarrassed. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. The moment you stop trying to be correct, your mouth starts moving. That is a top moment many people miss. Slow speakers are careful people. They don't like mistakes, but language grows through mistakes. This is surprising, but true. Children speak fast not because they are smart, but because they don't care about mistakes. Most adults never notice this difference. They try to protect themselves, and that protection slows them down. Here is another strange part. Speaking slowly is actually good. It means your brain wants clarity. We don't want to remove slowness. We want to guide it. And that is where shadowing comes in. Shadowing removes thinking time. You don't create sentences. You copy them. This feels strange at first, but it is powerful. In this chapter, you should feel one thing: relief. You are not broken. You are not late. You are simply using the wrong method. And now that you understand the real problem, we can move forward. In the next chapter, I will show you what shadowing really is, in the easiest way possible, made only for slow speakers like you. Chapter 2: Shadowing Made Easy for Slow Speakers. Shadowing sounds like a big word, but it is very simple. You listen to English, and you speak at the same time. Not after, with the voice. That's it. But here's the strange part. This simple action removes fear. Most people never notice why. It's because your brain has no time to panic. Slow speakers think too much before speaking. Shadowing does not allow thinking. Your mouth follows sound. Your brain relaxes. Let me show you what changed everything. The first time you try shadowing, your voice feels weak. That's normal. Then suddenly, one sentence feels smooth. That moment is powerful. That is a viewer spike moment. Shadowing is perfect for slow speakers because it trains rhythm, not speed. You don't rush. You don't stop. You move slowly, but continuously. Most learners make one big mistake. They pause too much. But here's the secret: don't stop. Even if you miss words, keep going. This trains flow. Another strange part is this: you don't need to understand everything. Yes, really. Understanding comes later. First, your mouth must learn movement, like walking. You don't study walking, you walk. Language is the same. When you shadow daily, something interesting happens. Your ears become sharper. You start hearing English more clearly. Most people think speaking improves listening, but Here's the truth: listening improves speaking first. This surprises many learners. Slow speakers need safety. Shadowing gives safety. No one is judging you. No one is listening. It's just you and the voice. That removes pressure. And when pressure leaves, speed comes naturally. Now you understand what shadowing is, but knowing is not enough. You need a method made for slow speakers. In the next chapter, I will show you the slow shadowing method step by step so you don't feel lost or stressed. Chapter 3: The slow shadowing method that works. This method is very simple. First, choose slow and clear English audio, short stories, real life stories, no fast news, no difficult lessons. Most people never notice this mistake. They choose hard content and feel bad. Don't do that. Second, listen once without speaking. Just listen, relax, then play it again and start shadowing. Speak softly, slowly. Don't shout, don't rush, but don't stop. That is important. Let me show you what changed everything. Continuous speaking matters more than correct speaking. Third, practice only 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's it. Slow speakers get tired faster. That is okay. Short practice keeps your brain fresh. Long practice creates stress. Stress kills progress. Another strange part is speed control. You do not try to speak fast, you let speed come naturally. When you force speed, you lose clarity. When you keep clarity, speed comes by itself. Most people never notice this order. You may feel your tongue getting tired. That is a good sign. It means muscles are learning. Speaking is physical, not just mental. This is a top moment many learners ignore. Record yourself sometimes. Not to judge, just to listen. You will hear improvement you didn't feel. That creates motivation. Motivation is fuel. After 3 days of slow shadowing, something small but important happens. You stop pausing as much. You still speak slowly, but more smoothly. That smoothness is progress. And this leads us to the next chapter, where I will explain what changes you feel after a few days as a slow speaker. Chapter 4: What changes after 3 days? After 3 days, most slow speakers feel something different. Fear becomes lighter. You still speak slowly, but you don't freeze as much. That is a big win. Most people never notice this early change, but it matters. Your mouth starts remembering sounds. When you hear English, your lips move slightly by themselves. That is not imagination. That is muscle memory starting. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. They stopped saying, "I can't speak," and started saying, "I am improving." Listening also becomes easier. You catch small words. You understand tone. This surprises many people. They think listening is separate. It is not. Speaking and listening grow together. Another strange part is confidence. You don't feel confident because you are perfect. You feel confident because you are familiar. Familiar sounds feel safe. Shadowing creates familiarity. Slow speakers often compare themselves to fast speakers. Stop doing that. Your journey is different. Your strength is clarity. Shadowing protects that strength. You may still make mistakes. Good. That means you are speaking. Silence is worse than mistakes. Most people never notice this truth. At this stage, many learners feel hope for the first time. Hope is dangerous and beautiful. Dangerous because you may stop practicing. Don't stop, because day 7 brings a deeper change, and that is what we talk about next. Chapter 5: The 7-day change for slow speakers. After 7 days, slow speakers feel a clear shift. You still speak slowly, but your sentences come out with less effort. That is huge. Most people never reach this point because they quit early. Your brain starts thinking in small English chunks, not full sentences, just pieces. That reduces delay. Let me show you what changed everything. Chunk thinking replaces word by word thinking. You also stop apologizing so much. You stop saying sorry before speaking. Confidence grows quietly. Others may notice before you do. That is a powerful viewer spike moment. Pronunciation improves too, not because you studied it, but because you copied it many times. Shadowing trains sound naturally. You may even enjoy speaking alone. That sounds strange, but it happens. Speaking becomes practice, not pain. Slow speakers become smooth speakers first. Speed comes later. This order is important. Most fast speakers are unclear. You will be clear. At this point, English stops feeling like a school subject. It starts feeling like a skill, like cooking, like driving. That mindset change is everything. Now, the question is simple. How do you keep this progress? How do you make this easy practice part of your daily life? That is what we finish with in the final chapter. Chapter 6, Your Easy Daily Routine. Your daily routine is simple. One short audio, one story, one voice, 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no rush. Choose a fixed time, morning or night. Same time every day. Routine removes decision stress. Most people never notice this benefit. Shadow softly. Focus on flow, not speed. Smile sometimes. Smiling relaxes the mouth. That helps pronunciation. Strange, but true. After a few weeks, you can increase speed naturally by choosing slightly faster audio. Do not force it. Let growth happen. Remember this. You are not slow forever. You are careful now. And careful learners become strong speakers. If you stay consistent, English will stop feeling heavy. Your voice will feel lighter. And one day, you will look back and smile. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel for more easy English practice. Like this video to support slow speakers and comment Day 1 if you are starting today. You are not slow, you are building correctly, and I'm proud of you for starting.